This is new to me, but old for you. I am finally trying the viral e.l.f. Camo. I was gonna say Camo Concealer. No. Camo Blushes. They look so gorgeous. I have Gorge Orange, coming in hot pink, and finally Coral Crush. They're supposed to be long lasting, highly pigmented, and dewy. And they retail for $7 US and $9 Canadian. And today I feel like I want to try the coming in hot pink. I think it's the vibe for 2024. I will start with one dot on my cheeks because I want to see how pigmented it is. Why am I scared though? Let's blend this out. It is high pigment and dewy, just like the claims. That was one dot. I don't know if it's long lasting because I'm not gonna do a wear test, but the hype was not fake. Do you see that? I've always wanted to put my hands on the Juvia's Place blushes, but it's so hard to get here in Canada because of the shipping fees. I'm glad that e.l.f. came through with this. What? Let me know if you want to see those two shades. Do you see how dewy it is? Summer banger, for sure. This is my full face of makeup. And I did not set the Camo blush with any powders because I wanted the blush to stay dewy on my skin and I love it. I did not reapply. The only thing I did is go back with the brush I used earlier to blend it in again in my skin, and this is how it looks. I love it.